Happy Saturday! Today is April 20. Kagabi hindi ko na na-close yung vlog kasi na insufficient na tayo. And nag-charge tayo ng battery, dalawa. Bali tatlo. Kagabi sinalang ko na pagbukas ko ngayon, nag-off siya. Tapos ngayon meron akong nilagay, nag-charge lang din. Kikakuha ko lang sa charger. Nagbi-blink na rin siya. So, we'll see kung saan naabot ang vlog natin. And it's Saturday, so footy ulit. And home base ulit yung ating paglalaruan. So, hindi pa tayo pumunta or dumadayo sa iba-ibang town. Dito ulit tayo. So, sunod-sunod dito tayo sa bay. And the time is 8:32. 8:32. Sana makuha namin yung spot na hindi namin nakuha nung last Saturday. Parang makukuha natin kasi hindi pa close yung yung isa. Ah, yeah, it's close already, Han.
What?
The other side.
Yeah, that's not good, yeah.
Ah, kasi before, hindi yan nagko-close. Wala siyang orange. Yan ba? So ngayon may orange. So baka full na dun sa side. Bayad ulit tayo. Ay, nagpa-flash na ang battery. So, namatay na yung battery, guys. Nakabayad na tayo. And, ito yung dalawang batteries na fully charged na chinarge natin kagabi. Ayan. Low bat na sila, guys. Is this the part that you want from last week, Han?
Well, it's around the same. I should have be closer.
Yeah, so iba naman yung parking natin. Han, I cannot see from here, Han.
Park here.
No, I cannot see that one. Okay. So, baka gamitin natin yung phone. We'll see. Ayan na si Kuya. And si Zach, ayan, pinapatali niya lang yung sapatos niya. Ayan na si Zach.
Tell them stuff.
So you're gonna, like, coach them?
No, just send messages out to them.
Okay.
So I fall over somewhere, it's coming to help me, alright?
Dad,
Oh my God.
Dad, do you need to
So,
find
ang work ni John today,
We get
sa
start.
foodie yun, runner siya. Kila Kuya. Mag-start na sila,
Dad's the
Kuya.
canteen open?
Not yet, Bubby.
Are you hungry already? Oh my God. May pera na siya.
It's my money.
So, mag-start na. Nagdi-delete tayo dito sa phone kasi itong gagamitin natin pang vlog. Pang nag-start na yung mga boys. Mag-start na sila, guys. And nandito si Auntie Mel. Lagi niya nasa Adelaide. Ngayon, well, first time pa lang na-miss ni Auntie Mel. Tingnan mo si Zach. Nag-warm up si Jan. Ay, si Jan. Yung mga bata. And si Jan runner. Asan mamaya. Siya yung parang
Oh, there he is over there in the green.
in the green. Ayun si Jan, naka-green. Ayun si Jan, naka-green. Start na sila. Ang lalaki din ng kalaban.
Get in there,
Kuya,
TJ.
go, Kuya. Oh. Isa kasi lumulusob talaga kahit hindi sa kanya yung ball. Great job, Zach. Martin,
Are
Zach.
you watching, Holly?
Oh, good. Go, Kuya.
Get in there. Don't stand at the back. Crikey.
Go, Daria. Go, Kuya. Kick! Oh. Oh my God.
Zachy.
Ayan na si Jeno. Runner siya.
Dad. Hi, Dad.
Siya yung
I didn't see him
taga...
run out there, but anyway. He won't be able to walk tomorrow.
I know. Siya yung taga-sabi kung saan magpipasa yung mga bata. So, nandyan siya sa middle. Go, Kuya! Go, go! Go! Kick it to TJ! Oh!
I'll find out what
I
night.
do dance on Wednesday.
What time? Go, Zach! Oh. Oh,
Oh, John must have paid it.
Already did.
Master pie. This is just the
Go, Kuya!
yeah. That's just the paperwork.
Go, Sak. Sak is always on the look how he ran. Ayan
Kick
si
that,
Jan.
mate. Get back there and kick it.
Si Sak kasi sobra naman yung kanyang
He
pagka...
listens to John.
Ha?
He's listening to John.
Yeah. Kasi hindi pwede si Sak pumunta doon. Si Sak pumupunta dyan pag may chance siya. Katuwa si Jan. Tumatakbo-takbo din. Ayun na siya. Runner siya. Oh.
Good boy. Got rid of it.
One more.
Oh, he handballed it to himself.
Oh,
Get in there,
go
TJ.
Kuya, go Kuya. Go Kuya. Kuya.
Does he?
Second quarter na. And tayo yung winning at the moment. Si Kuya nandun na siya sa kabila. Doon. Doon na siya. Sa may mga posting yun. Look at Zach. Oh. Look at Zach.
Where is he?
There.
Then I got this one.
Ayun si Jan.
I got his jumper off now.
Nainita na siya. Tinanggal niya na yung jumper. Ayan. Pinagsasabihan niya yung mga team natin. Ayan naman si Jan. Runner siya, runner.
Run, run. Haven't seen Dad running, look.
Good exercise for him. Oops.
Who's he?
Good. Where's Kuya na? Andun si Kuya
Is he on the
naghihintay.
bench, TJ?
No, it's on the... I'm not sure. Kasi hindi na namin makita. Dito lang kami sa
Oh
Carnina.
no, there he is.
Andun si Kuya. Yeah, number 2. Ayan. Sakay kami ni Antero kasi.
Zachary.
Oh, good job, Zach! Good mark. Go, Kuya! Oh my
good boy.
God. Go, Kuya.
Get in there, TJ. Good boy.
Good boy. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh. Si Sak laging on the go. Saan ka na, Kuya? Go, Zach.
Oh yeah.
Go. Oh my God. Ang layo ni Sak na lalakbay niya yan.
Brocky.
Go, Brooke.
Not him.
Go, yeah, go. Go, get it, Kuya. Go, go, go.
Oh, that's too high.
Oh my God. Kick it. Laging on the go si Sak.
Oh, good smother, buddy.
Yun.
Who's that Jagger, isn't it?
Jag. Go, Sak. Look. Go. Where's Kuya? Nasa goal si Kuya. Nandun siya. Oh, doon
he's
sa...
a big kid.
Nandun si Kuya. Doon
Get in
sa may
there,
mga
Brock.
post. Go, go, go. Look, look.
Oh, good boy. Good shepherd.
Third quarter. Tayo yung leading. Goal. Naka-goal na yung kabila.
Get out there, John. Tell him something.
Where's Johnny Boy?
There's one.
And dito ulit na yung goal natin sa kabila. Ayan si Kuya. Mas malapit na sa atin. Compare kanina.
Forward pocket.
Forward. Nasa forward pocket na
I
si Kuya.
think.
Kawasaki. He's reading where's the ball's gonna go. Look. Oh, ang bilis ni Zach.
Keep running, Zachary. Keep running. TJ.
Kuya, go, Kuya. Go, Kuya. Push him. Oh. My runner husband. Ayan na.
Go, Zachy.
Ah,
Good boy.
ganyan yung
Good
ginagawa
boy.
niya.
Good cover.
Pinapamove niya yung team natin.
TJ.
Go, Kuya. Oh. Ayan.
Out here.
Go.
TJ. Oh,
Oh.
that kid just took the mark off
Oh
him.
my God. Oh, Kuya.
On him.
Ah, go, Zach. Go, Kuya.
Get in there, TJ.
Oh my God. Go, Zach. Kick it to Kuya. Go, Kuya. Oh. Oh.
See?
Go! Yes! Good job, Kuya. Nakago si Kuya. Good job. Good job.
Go! Yes! Good job, Kuya. Nakago si Kuya. Good job. Good job.
Go, Zach.
Zach.
Woo! Almost.
Go. Careful. He's by himself.
Go, Zach. Oh. Knock him. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Go. Go, Kuya. Number 2 si Kuya, si Zach 36. Asan na yung bola? Go, Kuya. Go, Kuya. Go, Zach. Oh. Go, Kuya. Kuya, go, Kuya. Oh my God. Knock him. Go, Kuya.
Yeah, but he stopped him.
Oh, at least na-stop niya. Oh, cute. Hala, galit na sila.
Oh, good mark, man.
Back. Oh,
Where is it?
tapos
Oh, down
na.
there.
Yeah. Tapos na ang third quarter. Fourth quarter. Last na to, guys. Ayan si Kuya.
Why is he
Nasa wing.
stretching now?
Nasa wing na siya. Nasa wing na si Kuya. Si Zach, andyan pa din. Ayan si Zach. Wow,
Oh,
Zach!
Zachary.
Go.
Oh, he's got him again. Oh,
Oh, go, Zach. Go, Kuya.
Max there running across, see?
Number, what number?
49.
49.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Oh my God. Hindi ko pikot yung bata.
Where's Zachy?
Go, Zach. Oh. Go,
Oh, he's
Zach.
got it.
Go, Zach. Run. Where's Kuya?
Potato.
Go. Good job! I hope nakuhaan ko.
Good kick, Tage. Good kick. Oh,
Oh, good job. Pag-kick ni Zach, ano ni Kuya na Mark. Tapos na. And ayan si Auntie Mel tsaka si Holly. Ano sila, kuha ng something sa canteen. Panalo tayo, guys. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi kwento-kwentuhan kami ni Auntie Mel. Ang cute ng dalawa kasi pakakuha ni Zach. Kinik niya na mark ni Kuya. Ang cute. Buti lang hindi umulan. Si Jan pagod to si Jan kasi runner din siya. Nagra-run siya kasi siya yung nagdidictate, nagsasabi kung ano yung saan sila pwesto. And si Zach na ano siya na tawag noon? Napagsabihan kasi alam niyo naman si Zach runner yan. So dapat doon lang siya sa pwesto kasi may iba-iba silang pwesto. So, dapat doon ka lang. Minsan si Zach nag-over the backwood si Zach. Dapat wag na siya doon. Kasi merong tao din na dapat doon lang. Then, si Kuya naka-goal ulit. Last week naka-goal sila. And then, last week pala, best player si Zach tsaka si Kuya. So, yeah, we'll see today kung sinong best player. And si Zach, wala pa siyang goal kasi malayo siya sa, kung saan yung ikikik yung goal. Dito siya sewing, so may iba-iba silang pwesto. Si Kuya kasi lagi siya nakakapwesto sa goal. So, siya yung nag-aabang ng bola doon. So, pag nakuha niya, madali niya lang makik sa goal. Si Zach, ang layo niya, as in, ang layo niya. Nasa gitna siya ng court, ng oval. So, ngayon is, B grade. Dito na yung boys.
Huh? A trick. Oh no, he's sitting here. You nearly got him.
Yeah. Money, money, money. You done? Good.
You gonna change or not? You got shirt?
What's wrong, Zach?
He's tired.
He's tired. Wala siyang pahinga. Wala siyang pahinga. The whole quarter. Runner siya, si Zach. Si Kuya nandun siya sa my goal. So, hindi siya masyado yung takbo ng takbo. Eto, lagi siya yung kuha ng bola sa mga kalaban. Zach, let me see your face. Because na si Auntie Mel. Nanood lang siya ng game ng mga bata. Guys, uwi na ako. Sabay ako kay Auntie Mel. Kasi yung mga boys, maghapon na naman sila dito. Mag-edit na lang ako. Hi, Maxi! Dito dapat si Maxi. Na-kick out siya dito sa front kasi tayong umupo. So, uwi na tayo. So, panalo sila. So, yun nga. Si Zach pagod na pagod kasi wala siyang pahinga the whole quarter.
He got first best.
Ano ulit si Zach? Best player ulit si Zach. Kasi siya talaga yung as in non-stop, right, Auntie Moy? Non-stop, may kita nyo. Kasi hindi nga tayo masyado kasi kausap ko si Auntie Moy, non-stop siya talagang. Pagka-kick niya ng bola, hinahabol niya yung kinik niyang bola, right, Auntie Moy? After he kicked the ball, he's running. Yeah. Running to the ball. Ganun siya ka-agresibo sa field. Pag-kick niya ng ball, siya rin nagsalo. Siya rin nagsalo ng pagka-kick niya. Nagipag-kompetensya siya dun sa bola. Ganun kabilis sa tumakbo. Kaya sobrang pagod yun. So, uwi na tayo. Max! Bye na tayo, guys. And, ayun. Nag-init ako ng bone broth. 2 araw ako hindi nakapag-inom. And, naglabas tayo ng spring rolls. Yung vegetable spring rolls. And, meron tayo ditong sausages. And, I hope ito yung steak barbecue. Kasi wala siyang pangalan. So, sana steak barbecue to. So, isa to dun sa pinakatay ni Jan. So, lahat ng beef na kinakain na namin ngayon ay yung pinakatay natin. Pinakatay ni Jan. Yung sarili naming baka. Okay. Tilagay ko lang to sa sink. Ang oras is ang oras na 12:45. 12:45 na. May ininit na ako dyan na ito yung ating bone broth. Ay, ang init, ang init. Mainit siya. Ito na naman tayo. So, dito ko na lang ulit siya inumin, guys, sa bowl. Mamaya pa yung aking mag-aama. Lagyan natin konting asin. Alamis na yan. Kasi ito lang yung pang palasa natin. Konti lang. Tapos mag-edit ako. And baka mag-live ulit ako or mag-invoicing. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Mag-invoicing ba o mag-live mamaya? Baka mag-live. Konting oras na live. Okay. Mag-edit muna ako, guys. And again, ito yung ating first meal. Yung ating bone broth. Si Holly, maghapon din siya doon. Ayaw yung sumama pauwi. Okay. Ma-edit muna tayo. Bago ako magluto mamaya. Lagay lang natin itong salt. I-charge ko muna itong batteries na to. Ayan. Pag hindi siya full, ganyan ang kulay niya. Orange. Pag full na siya, green. So, pareho sila green nung tinanggal ko dyan. So, we'll see. Guys, mag-aalas dos na. Hindi pa lang pag-edit kasi nagtupi ako. Hindi pa nga tapos. Ang dami kong tupiin. Nagutom ako. Kaya ko magluto na lang ako muna ng spring rolls. Ito yung ating Japanese stainless pot para sa deep frying. Wait lang tayong oil. Ang kulay ng oil na to guys, ganyan siya. Yung very, yung alam mo yung parang nagamit na siya pero hindi. Ilagay natin to. Ganyan thermometer. Okay. Hintayin ko lang siyang uminit. Nasa 160 to 170 na yung heat niya. Okay na yan. Kaya pumuto kasi medyo malamig pa to. Medyo frozen ng konti. Try kong 5. Tinatanggalan ko ng ice. May ice eh. Okay. Okay na yan. Ayan yung itsura nilang 5 dyan eh. So, ayan na yung itsura. Binaliktad ko na sila. Ito ano to, kung sabi ko madunong. Kasi lagi siyang bumabalik sa dati. Tigas ulo niya. Ayan. Malapit na siya. So, okay ng mga to. Ilagay muna natin sila dyan. Oops. Para, oops. Tumulo yung excess oil. Saan kasya silang 5. Diba ang cute nitong ating deep frying? Parang hindi. Okay yan. Okay lang. Ganyan. Oh. So, patulin muna natin yung kanyang oil. I-prepare natin tong sausawan natin. Galing din tong Pinas. Ayan. Paboritong suka ng asawa ko. Galing to sa supplier ng aking mga beauty products. So, ayan na yung itsura ng ating spring rolls. Hindi na ako naglagay ng paper towel kasi na-drain naman yung excess oil niya. So, kain muna ako. Ayan akong isa ni reels ko. Sarap. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-spring rolls. Although meron kami sa freezer na naka-imbak. After nito mag-edit na talaga ako. Ang sarap. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Tapos na ako. May tira pang isa, guys. Hindi ko naubos. Busog na ako. 4:35. Andito na yung mga bata. Ay, 4:44. And tumawag yan si kuya sa akin. Kanina lang. Nag-edit pa pala ako. Hindi pa ako tapos. You just,
Celebration, did you get it on video?
ang araw dito, hi.
Say hey, Mum. Wait, what phone is it on? This one?
No, the other one, this one.
Jack, password?
Inaano niya yung goal niya.
Oh.
Si Kuya mag-sleep over siya
I did
kila
good,
Kate.
didn't I?
Both of you did.
I did better, way better than TJ.
He got best player.
Me, TJ didn't.
Oh, but Kuya had a goal. Last weekend had a goal.
See? You still do it, but like you in the car, I still heard you though.
You should hear Auntie Mel too.
What?
Auntie was yelling there
What,
too.
like?
You watch that.
See that
video.
point I got? Did you get that one on video?
I think so.
Mom,
Turned
ready?
around, hit the post, should have went in.
Yeah, it's too far. You're too far.
Get it up.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Ayan, sine-check na nila yung mga kuha ko.
See, Mom's videoing now. You can watch it.
There you go.
Ano? Mag-sleep over siya. Kila,
When
Kate.
it's like this, it just say that.
I can't believe I fell.
Yeah, I caught that one on the camera.
Shush.
Ayaw nila akong sumisigaw. What did you say, Zach? If you keep doing what you're doing.
One leg was like that.
Ano? What's that, Zach?
I might get best and fair if I do that. I'll...
All the game. Oo. Kasi sobrang ang liksi niya. Hinahabol niya. What happened to your leg?
Oh, ready? Watch.
Yeah.
Mom, I'm so right am I?
Are you? Again? May mga plano sila.
No, not yet. Just come back. I need to show Dad.
Well done. But when you gonna kick goal, Zach?
I don't need to kick goal.
Oh. All you have to do is
I
just...
put in the middle where I wanted to.
I know. And you kick it to TJ as well.
No, but he never passes to me.
Because you're too far, Zach.
Too far. He can make the distance, Mum.
Yeah, but both of you done well. And then TJ, you kick it to TJ and TJ mark it. That's good. Yeah. Pero at least he scored 1 point.
Who did?
TJ.
No, he didn't. Got 1 goal.
1 goal and then point.
Yeah, but the goal was only in front, right in front. The goal.
But still, Kuya get a goal. Ano ba yung aking guys na tinope? Hindi ko pa na ilagay sa mga cabinet kasi nga saka mag-edit muna tayo. That's si Daddy.
Kuya. Holly.
You did get my celebration.
Oh, where?
Yeah. I think I got it.
Oh, wank.
Hey, why did Hudson do that? I honestly did.
What, Zachary Han? Best player.
My leg was like this.
Mom,
Babe, what Zachary did today? What do you think?
What?
Not much.
Not much.
Mom, what's
Ah?
Don't even get in there.
I know, right?
See him getting him out of the centre all the time.
I know. Me and Auntie Mo was really like, look at Zachary. Like after he kicked the ball, he ran so fast just to catch the ball.
I want to have a shot in the middle.
Mom, what's
I want to.
Yes? Thank you.
Where did you get that Aussie from, Zach? That was the Bay Pub one, no?
Yeah. Remember?
No.
Yeah, no, it's Bay Pub.
No, the one at that mount was crap.
So, yeah.
I see you.
So get Aussie.
Enjoy your
What do you want?
stay with Kate.
What do you want?
Magdi-dinner
Hawaiian?
si Kuya sa pub
Oh, shit.
with friends. Tapos doon na rin siya matutulog.
Not the hat in the club, mate.
No, for tomorrow. No, we're having takeaway.
Ah,
Is he ordering already or?
I don't know.
Ah, magti-take away lang sa pub. Si yung family ni
Holly,
Kate. So,
Hawaiian?
No.
What?
ita-drive ni...
Wait.
Ita-drop of... Ano ba yan?
I'll get Aussie.
Oh, red lovers.
Aussie and mate lovers bag.
I want
Alright.
Lovers.
Oh, kinain niya na yung tira kong isang spring roll. So, yun na nga, si Jan, ida-drop si Kuya sa Footy Club kasi nandoon yung friend ni Kuya and magti-take away ng food yung family. So, si Kuya, bibilhan na lang din ni Jan ng food doon para i-take away din at kainin doon sa bahay ng friend ni Kuya. And, Hindi matutuloy yung aking planong dinner kasi yung hindi yung burger steak. Barbecue steak, tsaka yung sausage, matigas pa. So, napag-desisyon na mag-pizza na lang kami tonight. Kasi tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, oh, matigas pa. Hindi ko pa sila makakalas sa isa't isa. Oh. And ganun din dito. Sa sausage. Matigas pa. So, bukas na lang to. Ilagay ko na to sa fridge. Lagay natin siya sa plastic and lagay ko siya dito sa fridge. So, kami lang tatlo. Ay, apat pala.
What's
That's
that?
Hawaiian. Ham and cheese.
Oh, that's egg. Here,
Why?
put this fast up, yeah. That's Aussie topping.
Aussie topping. Small ang pizza dito sa Bay. That's chicken barbecue.
No, meat lovers.
Meat lovers.
I wanted meat lovers.
And garlic bread. So, kain, guys. Kain. Saving the, eto, sinisave na. Is it good? May laro.
Chicken wings in, mate, please.
May laro yung ni Sak ngayon, yung kanyang team. West
pretty hot,
Coast.
Yeah, you just got it.
Hot, very hot. Where did you get that from? Pub?
Bay.
Right, Bob.
The Victorian pub? Good, Baba? You like it?
This is meat lovers.
Ang ganda ng cloud sa syempre sa labas. Ang ganda Orange.
Why is there chicken on there then?
That's the meat lovers. Chicken, meat,
No,
everything.
I think meat lovers should have those circles.
Yes.
There. There's that one.
Where?
There.
A whole circle. That's a lot.
Hinahanap niya yung salami.
Circle.
Yeah, that's the salami, Zach. You like your Aussie topping, hon? May pa-eggs yung Aussie topping nila dito na pizza.
Oh, good.
Okay lang siya sa akin sa mga steak or schnitzel. Pero sa pizza, never ko pa na-try.
Huh?
You like it, Zach? Have you tried this?
A little bit.
Do you like it?
Alright.
Which one is better?
Uh-oh.
Meat lovers? Barbecue meat lovers?
The honey bun.
Oh, my favorite.
Hawaiian.
Prawns.
Yeah, the creamy garlic prawns from Domino's. We haven't had that for a long
Get
time.
Domino's.
Daddy don't like
Oh,
Domino's.
I
I
do.
do too, but Daddy
I
don't
like
like it.
those spicy chickens. Like
The popcorn chicken. No, masarap sa Domino's. Si Jan lang ayaw niya. Why you don't like Domino's, son? What? Ang hirap mong kabanding sa kainan. Gusto ko siyang itry. Can I have that little piece there, please, son? That's big. Yeah, that one. Itry ko to. Ayan yung itsura niya. May paitlog siya dyan. No, I'm good, thank you.
leave it there. You might eat it
You
all.
ate it all.
One.
It's alright.
No.
Hindi siya ganun kalaki kaya okay lang. Masarap. First time ko matry yung Aussie topping na pizza.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
Kain muna kami, guys. Nakadalawa lang si Sak. And eto yung crust. Gusto ko yung crust. So, kainin ko to. Madami pa, Tapos na siya. Tapos na silang kumain. Naglalaro ulit sila ng cards. Nagiging banding nila yung mag-daddy. Maglaro ng cards. You know. Yung pala yung, naalala nyo, yung sabi ko sa inyo, meron akong box from Korea. Di ko pa siya na-touch. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya mabubuksan. But yeah, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Ito na yung next kong i-edit, guys. Itong vlog today. Nagpaalam na ako sa inyo, pero ipakita ko lang ginagawa nitong bata. Nagpapaputok na naman siya ng popcorn sa microwave. Kasi mag-start na yung kanyang footy, yung team niya maglalaro. Ayan na yung kanyang, be careful! Careful! Gamit na gamit yan si Taylor Swift na yung bucket na yan. The popcorn bucket. So what do you call that one? How many minutes did you put it?
3.
So maybe next time just 2.5. Yeah.
Yeah, but what?
Close the cabinet properly, please. Close the... Yeah, I know, but sometimes they lie. Kasi nakalagay sa instruction 3 minutes.
Look.
Oo. Para lang siya magmo-movie habang nanonood. It's alright. What do you think Kuya teacher's doing now? Oh. What do you think teacher is doing now?
Put up charcoal.
Charcoal? There's like charcoal. Let me see. Careful, careful. Oh, no. Okay. Alright, thank you. So, yun lang.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.